In this video, I'll show you how to properly oil a nail gun. To ensure optimal performance and longevity, it's essential to regularly oil a nail gun. Proper lubrication reduces friction, prevents jamming, and extends the tool's life. Start by disconnecting the nail gun from the air supply or removing the battery if it's cordless. This will prevent any accidental firing while you work on it. Lay the nail gun on a clean, stable surface and locate the oil ports. These are usually found near the trigger, magazine, or other moving parts. Refer to the user manual if you're unsure of its location. Apply a few drops of oil into each oil port. This lubricates the internal mechanisms and ensures smooth operation. Be mindful not to over-oil, as excessive oil can attract dust and debris leading to clogs. After applying the oil, spreading it throughout the nail gun's internal components is important. To do this, activate the trigger several times. This distributes the oil evenly, ensuring all the moving parts are properly lubricated. As you cycle the nail gun, you may notice excess oil being expelled. Don't worry, this is normal and indicates that the oil is reaching all the necessary areas. Simply wipe away any excess oil with a clean cloth or rag. If you're using a pneumatic nail gun, you can also add a few drops of oil to the air fitting before reconnecting it to the air supply. This helps lubricate the air system and keeps it functioning smoothly. Before using the tool, test it to ensure everything works properly. To do this, simply fire a few test nails into a scrap wood. If the nails drive smoothly and the tool operates without any issues, you're good to go. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping nail guns in shape, but don't overdo it. Nail guns actually don't need to be oiled often until it's exposed to continuous heavy use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.